Hi, I'm Laura with Hubert, and today we're going to dive into the Hubert brand cheese slicer. I'm going to show you all the different replacement parts that we offer for it and a little bit about how to change those parts. So this is the Hubert brand cheese slicer, and this is made out of melamine. A lot of the cheese slicers in the marketplace are made out of plastic, but we chose melamine because it's a nice cost-effective solution and it's very durable and easy to clean. So like I said, this is NSF certified. Today I want to share with you what's great about our cheese slicers. We offer all the replacement parts that you need for this unit. So we offer the handle for the cheese slicer, the replacement springs, rubber feet and screws, 12-pack of replacement cheese wires, the spindle with 2 washers, and then the pulley wheel. So to replace the cheese wire on this unit, it's very easy. All you need to do is just unscrew the handle and then the wire just slides right off. I'm going to show you the back side of the unit next. So when you turn it over, you'll see that the wire just hooks on right here. It's easy to remove and replace. We have the rubber feet with a Phillips head screwdriver. It's very easy to replace the rubber feet. I wanted to point out to you on the spring, it has a rounded end and a hooked end. It's important that the rounded end be installed underneath the rubber feet. And then you can see easily here how the spindle and pulley wheel are installed right here. Thank you for allowing us to show you our Hubert brand cheese slicer and all of our many replacement parts. If you have questions about this or any of our other products, just give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.